Good afternoon, everybody. This is Harmeet from SigmaPix. Thank you for tuning in. We're going to be going over BTC, Bitcoin USD chart today. Just quickly to review what we had been talking about. We were looking at this C wave right here, and what we were discussing were that that it does have this structure, five-wave structure. So the minimum criteria has been met that that C wave is over right here. But we didn't know exactly that if it was to go down or if if it will go into a flat consolidation. So at this point we kind of have our answer. So we know that structurally speaking, that now it's the downtrend has kind of come to a halt a little bit, and we are in a different structure now than we were a couple of weeks ago or so. And that being said, also we should also consider the fact that this W wave could also be end of a larger consolidation slash distribution, because we have completed the most minimum wave count in order to say that the correction is over. So that being said, let's just start looking at what we can expect from here. So I think we should consider this as a Darvis box, okay? If it breaks out over these highs, the 45,855 high, and gets over this 47,000 zone, I think this 50,051, let's just say 50,500 to 52 100, that area, if we can actually clear this last B wave high, we can start looking at this being a rounded bottom at that point and say that we are in a larger we have started the fifth wave. Let me just quickly move back to show you guys what I'm talking about. Oops, we're going backwards. So what we can say at that point is that fourth wave, this is the third wave, the fourth wave completed right here, and we can say that this may be starting of the first wave of the larger fifth wave, which hopefully we'll see sooner than later. The larger fifth wave, oops, wrong thing, larger fifth wave has started. Okay, for now, let's just see how this goes. I think as long as we don't take out some of these lows, the 32,900 low, let's round it together, I think we're starting to see that it's starting to make higher highs, okay, and it's starting to have this kind of a flag thing. Now bear in mind that this is a bear flag. Any breakdown could get us down, okay? This is a bear flag, okay? So that's why it's very important to make sure that it starts taking out this B value, the 52,100 value. Until then, the only thing definitively we can say is that we know this W wave is over. We know that we're in an X wave. We know that it is in a flat consolidation. Okay, so those are knowns, and we know if it starts to break out one way or the other, we have our answer of what is going on with the chart, and if it has become super bullish or super bearish. For now, it's neutral. There is not much bearishness, not much bullishness. It's kind of stalled its downtrend, and that's why it's in the next wave. It does have this ABC structure. okay, ABC structure, okay, and that this is a flat structure, so that means that, let me just quickly take out, so it has this A, B, C structure, okay. So what that means is this flat has retraced greater than 88, well, 78 to 90% from this high, okay, the 45,000 high. So that's one of the rules that you should be familiar with. How do you know what it is and how you define it? It's just you can go back and look it up, and maybe we will make a rules PDF for everybody to have, so they can actually quickly find what exactly it could be. So I am really interested to see if it can get through. Right now it's 46,710 area. If it gets over it, it increases the chances of going to 50,000, increases the chances of that. If it fails, let's say it does get up there and fails, expect it to fail the first time, it's okay, but it fails and then drops down, it I would say if it drops below this 39,600 or even 40,000 point, at that point you have to consider being extremely bearish, because we are hitting we hit a major fib level, okay, and failure there is it tells you that it is an extreme, is still in an extreme bearish state. But if it starts going above this 46,700 level and starts testing this 50,000 level, you know that bearishness is kind of receding, okay? And you can tell if it gets through this that, okay, we're in the first wave of something, okay? You don't get confirmation until you get through the all-time high, which was, I think, 69,000. Let's just quickly put that up there for people to see. So this 69,000 is your all-time high. That is what will, if it was to confirm that this is a rounded bottom, and it's starting to look that way, okay, we start taking out these, again, the middle part of this flat, we start taking out 46,000, we start climbing back up, this becomes a very, very bullish scenario. And of course, expect like some sort of a cup and handle, and hopefully, march through the 69,000 level. And of course, the other scenario being that if it does break down and gets through this 32,900 level, okay, and breaks through this 28,000 level, then we can expect it to go test 20,000 at that point. So there's a lot going on, but it is in neutral territory. We are seeing some headwinds with what Washington's doing with crypto. I think it will make people more comfortable about investing in crypto. I think if there was some sort of a little bit of, it has to have a little bit of regulation, so people are more than enthusiasts can say, hey, I want to go in, I feel a little bit more safe about this investment, I can go in, that I can put my money in, and I can hold it for a long time and know that it's something that, understanding the risk, knowing that we can go ahead and start building a position. So this is a great thing. Let's just see how it goes. We want to see it start moving up and take out this middle part, okay? So this is what a rounded bottom is. This is how it works. You will see it on topping patterns too, okay? And just expect that it's not going to go straight up. If we get some sort of cup and handle, we will know, because at that point, your first wave right here, This would be a second wave, and this cup and handle forming usually is the third wave, the money wave, which allows you to say it can break through a 69,000 level, and that's your money wave, and look for that 100,000 level move up from there on out. Let's see how this develops. It is neutral, but it looks great. Chart is starting to be more constructive for bulls, and a little less constructive for bears because it has slowed down. And we will have our answer about which way it's going and have a trade. Thank you very much for tuning in. I really, really do appreciate it. I hope this helps. We'll continue to monitor it, continue to watch it, see how it goes. We'll pick our spots and have a trade soon. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.